Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to beat Kraken in dead sails. Start by approaching slowly and baiting single tentacles at a time while keeping sails trimmed. Circle so tentacles miss your bow and concentrate cannon fire on exposed segments. Repair quickly between bursts and use flares or loud noises to reset its focus when necessary. Stay calm, watch patterns, and prioritize teamwork to chip away at health without getting overwhelmed. Positioning wins fights. Hug the edge of the battle zone to limit attack angles and keep your stern clear for quick escapes. Use slow, deliberate turns to force tentacles to swing past you instead of striking directly. When a tentacle is about to slam, back up a short distance and fire a coordinated broadside. Between bursts, patch holes and rotate the hauling crew to maintain steady pressure without losing control. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy immersive sessions like this, pick up an Echo Dot smart speaker to bring ambience and helpful voice alerts to your gaming setup. It adds subtle music, timers, and quick reminders without fiddling with menus while you sail. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose weapons that deal sustained damage and aim for glowing segments or the eye when it peaks above water for bonus effect. Assign roles. One crew member handles repairs and pumps, one focuses on constant cannon fire, and another disrupts tentacles with tools or flares. Rotate duties every engagement to avoid fatigue. Bring consumables to heal and speed reloads, and remind everyone to communicate callouts for safe, consistent damage windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.